Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on Substack and how you can use it to create your own newsletter. So let's get started. To create your own account, press on Start Writing. Now write your email. Agree and continue. This email is already registered, so I will just go to login. And I will go to my email account to verify my account and come back to you. Now here is your dashboard and how it looks like. In Home, in the left menu here, you can find all the newsletters which are related to you and the featured newsletters. So you can navigate through them as you want. You can also go to your inbox. Here you can find the newsletters related to you. You can also check them all like any ordinary news feeds. Here is your chatting. You can see all your conversations. Here is your activity. Here is the Explorer, in which you can find dozens or hundreds of newsletters or even thousands of them. You can see recommendations based on the preferences that you insert in Substack during your registration, or you can just navigate through different stuff here, like for example business. If you are interested in business, you can find many newsletters here. You can navigate through them and check any one you want. Just press on it. Here you can give a quick look on this newsletter, and if you are satisfied with it and you want to subscribe, you can just press on subscribe here, and it will lead you to the subscription page, in which you can subscribe to this newsletter. You can choose your subscription, you can use no pledge, and you can continue without pledging. So basically each newsletter has its own system. It has its own subscription system, so there is no rule here. So now let's return back. Here you can see all the top paid newsletters in the leaderboard. You can also choose all newsletters and not just paid newsletters. Now moving on to your profile. You can see all the settings which are related to you and your posts and your newsletter. You can manipulate them the way you want. You can edit from here, and you can invite friends from here. Now, if you want to create your own newsletter, or you want to create a new post, all what you need to do is to press on New Note here. You can just write a note, and you can add an image from here. So we can press on More. We can access library, and we can access archive. Now, if you want to go to the dashboard, press on here, and here it will show you your own dashboard. It will also show you a sequence of steps through which you can complete your setup. You can see an overview of your subscribers, your views, and more information about you. Now you can write a new post from here. You can choose whether it's a post, it's a note, it's a thread, it's episode, or it's a video. So if you want to write a post, you can just press on this. You can write your title from here. You can enter subtitle. And you can even choose if you want any co-writers with you, in case you want to collaborate with other writers. You can remove any writer from here, and you can add a writer from here. You can also edit your email header and footer from here. It will navigate you to a new tab where you can choose your banner image, your header. You can choose any settings related to your header. So let's just remove this. Here you can type your own post. You can also manipulate the characteristics of this post from this top bar here. You can bold your Your text, you can make it italic. You can control it as if you are in Microsoft Word. You can also add an image. You can add an audio from here. You can add a video. You can also add buttons, which are really helpful in different newsletters. So there are many types of buttons, like subscribe now, for example. You can also add a button to share this post. You can add a button to leave a comment. You can add multiple buttons here, and you can even control where they are located. You can also access on more options here, so that you can add like poll, for example. You can edit the poll here by pressing on this and choose your choices, for example, like subscribe, unsubscribe. You can add other options, and you can add the length or the duration that the poll will be valid for. You can also hide the total vote, or you can just keep it. You can also insert your question here. And you can save your own poll. And here it is. So this is basically how you can control and manipulate your newsletter or your post. You can also preview your post from here. You can choose between different views. You can see it if it's accessible on mobile phones or on website. You can choose website here, and you will find different views of your newsletter. So this is basically how you can preview your own post. You can also choose the dimensions of the post itself. So if you want to see it as if it is not a website and mail, but mobile and desktop, for example, you can see it from here, and you will see how it look like in different devices. So let's just wait for it to load. And here is how it look like. Now let's just return to the mobile version. And here you can decide whether free subscribers or paid subscribers are the ones who will see your newsletter. So here in test, you can see the draft link to your newsletter, and here you can find a test mail so that you can send your newsletter to someone who you can test it on. Now, as you are done, you can just press on done, and here is your newsletter. You can continue by pressing on this, and you can just choose this post is for everyone, allow comments. You can choose your tags. You can add an image for the preview, and you can schedule the delivery. You can just send via mail or schedule time to email and publish. And after you finish this, you can press on send to everyone now. And voila, you have published your own post in your newsletter. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Now you can use Substack to create newsletters, podcasts, and more. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.